Hello, welcome. It's McFlurry. Thank you for the follow. Hello, everybody. I am back. It's been a week since I streamed, but I am happy to be back. We hit 1,000 followers while I was gone, which is crazy. We left and I had like 900. Hello, Hostile. Welcome in. Whoa, we got lots of first-time chatters. Looks like a lot of people's first stream. Welcome in, everybody. Chip is one of the best YouTubers and Twitch streamers out there, in my opinion. Tambo6289, thank you for the follow. Slowix is back. What is up, everybody? So we did hit $1,000, which is awesome. I was hoping I would hit it while I was live, but that's okay. We're at 1,012 now. Sneffel Gaming, hello Chip, welcome to the stream. Lots of first-time chatters. If this is your first stream, welcome. We're streaming probably Wednesday and Friday also. I already have to eat dinner. See y'all soon. Well, thanks for coming to the beginning. I couldn't decide. So I have, you know how we do Universe Sandbox suggestions, you know, we do a lot of those. But I haven't done one in a while. So I collected a bunch of them that we could do on stream. Or we could go to Min-Miss in Kerbal Space Program. I'm going to leave it up to you. Hostile, will you make a poll? Just put like Universe Sandbox suggestions or go to Min-Miss or something. Oh yeah, and we have new emotes. You can see Hostile just used some. If you sub, you get a bunch more. The first time in my stream, I love your YouTube videos. Thank you for coming. KSP, please. Destroy 1,000 Plutos in Universe Sandbox. We could totally do that. Yeah, we'll run a poll and we will decide. I do have water, whoever asked that. I saw that. Ropel1, what's up? Hashtag Pluto sucks. Agreed. That's so real. Chat, what are we playing? Okay, everyone vote on the poll. Go to Min-Miss, or you do your guys' Universe Sandbox suggestions from comments. I have a bunch collected. We could also do some from chat. I just got 5 ads in a row. Thank you for the money. Thank you. Do a poll. Yeah, a poll just popped up. Go ahead and vote on that. Looks like Universe Sandbox is winning. We have been playing a lot of Kerbal Space Program on stream. I don't think we've played Universe Sandbox yet. I think we did for a second in the Space Engine VR stream, but not like for real. It's decently close. Whatever you guys vote, that's what we'll do. I don't care if it's Universe Sandbox or KSP. Me neither. I'd be down for either. El Pluto, real. Robo redeemed hydrate. I got you. I like drank it all already. There's a little bit left. For you. You didn't used to hate Pluto? I always did. I was lying. Chew the ice. It's like all stuck together. I could get one. Everyone vote. Not ice. Eat the cup. It's glass. Can you hear it? Universe Sandbox wins. Okay. ASMR, yeah. Why do you have the cosmic cliffs hanging in the background? Because it's cool. Why not? Also got my Guitar Hero guitars. Right on those. All right, boys. Let's pull up Universe Sandbox then. Let's get started. I have some good suggestions today. Oh, there's an update. It's okay. It's almost done. Yay! You're the best streamer on Twitch. I don't know about that. I do my best though for you guys. Universe Sandbox. That's a cool emote, Hostile. You know, you guys could have the emotes too. When are you gonna play Space Engine? I think I'm probably gonna do another Space Engine exploration video this week. Put it on the YouTube. Chat, look at all these cool emotes. Yeah, they are pretty cool. All right, look, my game's patching. Give me 1 second. I have not played since they released this update. Let's see. So they added the solar eclipse that's happening this year. They added into the game, which is cool. And they improved collisions, chaotic collisional aftermath. We've updated our particle system to preserve performance while simulating fuller, more realistic collisions. That's kind of cool. Custom habitable range. Customize the habitable temperature and atmospheric pressure of your plants for more unique vegetation and city lights coverage. That's a cool one. I'm excited to try this out. We can try that out today. Some more stuff, I guess. It's done now. Let's launch it. I'm gonna see the solar eclipse. It's gonna slay so hard. It is gonna be pretty cool. Let me pull up these suggestions I have collected. Okay. Best ways. Okay. I have them here. So we have all of these that I've collected, and we'll also take some from chat if you guys have good ones. Chip, can you do suggestions from your Discord server too? I should look through those. Can you make chat bigger, please, while on stream? Someone type. I want to see. I can't see it. I feel like that's a good size. I mean, I guess if you're watching on a phone, it's probably smaller. Chip, you literally taught me how to build rockets on Spaceflight Simulator. Well, there you go. I'm probably not the best to learn from. I think I'm decent. But that game's kind of weird because it doesn't tell you like how much fuel or anything. It's like, it's hard to predict what you really need. Hey, Chip, this is my first time on Twitch. Welcome. Stop the Pluto hate. No. More Pluto hate, please. All right, boys. So we are here in Universe Sandbox, and I have... Okay, let's pick which one we want to start with. So here are our options. We have make 2 solar systems collide, put a moon half the size of the moon and put it in the Roche limit of Earth, which I thought would be cool to see if it made rings or something. Binary gas giants, crash 10 Jupiters together, see how the system reacts. Collide a nitrogen planet with another planet and see if it develops an atmosphere from that, which I think it probably will. Make a planet look like a habitable planet, but it's not habitable. Make Mars more habitable than Earth. That's going to be hard, but I will try. Give negative mass to all the planets and the sun, and I guess see what happens. Remove Saturn's rings, and then make a moon made out of ice, and then have that be ripped apart by the Roche limit to see if it turns into rings. And okay, I guess that's all our options. So let's start with, what's a good one? I want to try this one. I'm excited to try this one. Put a moon half the size of our moon and put it inside the Roche limit. So let's try it. So let's go to Earth. Let's make sure it has the moon just so we can kind of like compare it to that. So there's the moon now orbiting with Earth. Jupiter, a rocky planet. That'd be cool. I think I terraformed Jupiter for a video a long time ago. Okay, so inside the Roche limit, it's going to be pretty close. So we're going to need to make AGMDYT. Thank you for the follow. Oh, Chippy Jr. Yeah, we have a bot now. Hostile set up some cool stuff. Okay, I think this is probably in the Roche limit for sure. So if we put it here and then put half of this mass, I want to see what'll happen. I feel like we need more intense music for this because like Earth's about to get destroyed. Oh, here we go. What's good, Chippy Jr.? What is good? Okay, let's see what happens to Earth. We have a moon half the size of our moon inside of the Roche limit. Let's see. Here we go. We probably want to slow down time to see this. Okay, there it goes. That should totally start breaking apart. Oh yeah, there we go. See? Rips apart. And it's almost going to kind of make rings, I think. But I don't think Universe Sandbox is the best at really simulating rings. But check that out, actually. That actually does a really good job of, like, making rings. Whoa. Okay, I'm actually very impressed. I thought it would not perform that well with the rings. That shadow is interesting. Of what shadow? Okay, so it looks like some of the collisions are causing gases to form. But I think it's been like 24 hours since it happened. Let's see if Earth can survive. So after a long time, they would probably turn into rings in real life, but I don't think Universe Sandbox will simulate that. It just kind of has this big gas cloud now around it. Let's give it a long time and just see the very end of this. This is the fastest it'll let me go. Okay, so it's been probably a couple years. I think it starts in like 2014 or something. Let's see Earth. This is what Earth looks like. That does not look good. Never mess with Pluto. We will destroy Pluto. How long do you stream? Like 2 to 3 hours each time, usually. I love space. Me too. Okay, let's see if Earth survived this. Our life likelihood is only at 1.5%. So that definitely killed pretty much everything. I bet some humans would survive because, you know, we're smarter than the animals. But it is dropping still. I wonder if I clear particles. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So actually, I did clear the particles and it kind of recovered 83%. But it looks like a lot of things are flooded. Like all of North and South America are completely flooded somehow. My first time on a spaceship stream. Welcome. And I love destruction. Same boy, that's why I'm here. Yeah, we love space. Okay. I think... do we count that as surviving? Because it dropped down to 1%. And now it's back up at 80. But look how flooded everything is. It's like the remnants of civilization. We're in the year 2040 now. I don't know. I think Earth survived. But it's definitely like post-apocalyptic now. I like the new terraforming update in Universe Sandbox. I know. It is kind of cool. It's kind of like difficult to like manage all of these materials. Add new material. I think that's a new thing. I just got the new update. Zorox1234, thank you for the follow. I wanted to see where they have the habitable range. Replace materials. Oh, look, this is new too. Replace all water with a different thing. Princess the Pie, thank you for the follow. That's amazing. We're getting so many followers. We're at 1,013. So wait, I want to try this actually. If I replace all of the water with methane, let's see what happens. And conserve depth, sure. Whoa, okay, that's actually cool. That's a cool thing to have. So if you like, oh, you know what we should try? We should take Titan, which has methane oceans, and try to where's Titan? Right here. And replace it with water and see what happens to it. So I'm going to turn off its atmosphere so we can kind of see. So it has methane oceans. So if we replace composition, this is going to be on YouTube? Yes, it will. We've started putting VODs into YouTube videos if you've seen my latest couple, and I think they're doing pretty well. So I wanted to try replace all methane with water. It worked. And look, now it has a 3% chance of life. Okay, that's actually cool. That's a good feature they added. I'm happy with that. Okay. Sorry, that was a little bit of a tangent, but let's go to the next suggestion. Let's pull it up. Okay, this one's going to be kind of cool. It is... Wait, I'm on YouTube? Yes, you will be. Make two solar systems collide. Nice shirt. Thank you. It's actually new. I thought it was pretty cool. Addy the champ, thank you for the follow. Bro, spaceship looks like he is skipping sleep. Not gonna lie. Do I look tired? I'm offended. Also, rip mustache. I know I shaved it off. Hi, YouTube. Yeah, you can say hi, YouTube. I was already in YouTube. Okay, we're gonna make two solar systems collide. So to do that, we're gonna need a new simulation. So what you can do is place like the sun and then add the planets to the sun like this. So you can see we have all the planets now. And that doesn't simulate everything in the solar system, just the planets. But you can see we have all the planets. So we're going to try to now launch another sun into the sun. Do more spaceflight simulator. Hey, we have a spaceflight simulator video coming out tomorrow on the YouTube. Look out for that. It's a good one. Boom. Okay, I tried to aim it so the suns will collide. And then let's add all the planets to this star too. Okay, so now you can see there's two solar systems, and I launched this one, so they should collide. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Look, they're moving towards each other, and we can see how the orbits are going to react to this. Wow. I know. Wow. Okay. Let's see if any planets survive. I wonder if I line them up well enough, because if they collide, they'll definitely supernova. Okay, they did not collide, but it looks like this one got really hot somehow. Maybe they just like skimmed each other and it like took some of the mass, because the mass is slightly higher now. So I think that's what happened. We're going to need trails to really see what's going on here. Let's see if any planets survive this. It looks like maybe not. It looks like the two stars are shooting up and down and all the planets are kind of flying out. So there's two Earths, and they're both freezing to death now. So no life would have survived that. So hopefully a solar system doesn't come and try to collide with our solar system. Are you going to try Spaceflight Simulator with mods? We totally should. That'd be a good stream. When will you do next live? Wednesday. Maybe we'll try Spaceflight Simulator mods on Wednesday. Okay, so yeah, nothing survived. All the planets, not a single one stayed in orbit of a star. So it just completely destroyed both of the solar systems. Everything's flying out in all the different directions. It's kind of cool. Interesting. Okay, let's go to the next one. Poor Earth, I know. Okay. This one, crash 10 Jupiters together and see how the system will react. Let's try it. Can you make another subsystem? Oh, you pinned it? I don't understand the question. Like a subscriber system? We could do a Twitch subscriber system. I didn't mean to. My bad. Oh, you didn't mean to pin it. Okay, so crash 10 Jupiters together is our next one. Yeah, our planets. We should do like a Twitch sub one, so then people subscribe on the Twitch. You should sub. Make it system only with suggestions. Also, we need some music. Can you not hear the music? There's music playing, right? I can hear it. Can you guys not hear it? It's quiet. Oh, here, I got you. Is that better? Is that better? Might take a second. Yeah? Okay. Good. I set up a new audio thing today so that all my tracks are recorded separately, so editing is easier. So now we are trying to collide, it was 10 Jupiters together and see how the solar system reacts. So we're going to take Jupiter here and just start throwing more Jupiters into it. Okay, Jupiter versus Jupiter. So this is one Jupiter, so this would be 2. Okay. I want to try to make sure Jupiter stays in orbit, so I can't launch them all in the same direction. So that's 3, 4, 5. I wonder if it's going to turn into a star. 6. It's not holding as much mass as I thought. 7. 8. 9. 10. Big Jupiter. Your vids are awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. I think I gave it too much force in one direction and it's going to fly out of the solar system. You can see that. So I wonder if I throw more in the opposite direction, I can slow it down. So we're going to launch a couple more. Is that good? No, definitely not. Come on, slow down. Slow down, Jupiter. Why is it going so fast? No matter how many I throw, it's still going. Go, 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 go. It's supersonic. It's impossible. Make it auto orbit? I mean, yeah, we could. So what's the mass of it now? 13 Jupiters. Okay, so actually, I think if I do this enough, it's going to... We're going to auto orbit it. Turn into a star, which I kind of want because I want to see how that's going to do it. Because it looks like just throwing 10 didn't really do very much. So I want to see if I can turn it into a star if I throw enough. Wait, what just happened? It just got destroyed? What? How did that happen? Did it like try to turn into a star and it didn't work? It literally just disappeared. Throw a star at it. Okay, I'm gonna reload the solar system and try to throw a star at it. What's your favorite planet? Earth? Duh. The best planet by far. Okay, Jupiter versus... Let's throw a small star like Proxima Centauri. Launch. Because look, Proxima Centauri is not that much bigger than Jupiter. I mean, obviously it's still going to completely absorb it. Oh, that was fast. So Proxima Centauri is now in orbit. So we can kind of see what would happen to the solar system if another star was like this, because it looks like it's going to kind of curve in. So it might start pulling on these planets. Oh, you can see it's already disrupting the asteroid belt a lot. Okay, it's getting close to Earth now. This is where it's going to be scary. It definitely looks like it's pulling Earth out of its orbit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, whoa. Okay, so that is going to be very, very bad for Earth. Earth is now in orbit of Proxima Centauri in a very, very elliptical orbit. So it's getting super cold out here and then getting extremely hot when it gets close. I bet no life is left. Oh, 0.007. There's a very, very small chance of life. And it's dropping. Won't be Slay, not gonna lie. Chip, why when I throw too much Jupiters, why does it break? That's what mine did too. It broke when I threw too much. The 0.007 left. It's me. I'm the only thing left. It's actually rising, which is kind of funny. Hello, chat. What is up? Okay. Well, it looks like it just ate Earth, and it completely destroyed the solar system. So I guess if Jupiter turned into a star, it would not be good. I don't think anything is really gonna survive after enough time. It's definitely launching stuff out. Well, I mean, some of these outer planets, like, because now it's sort of like a binary relationship. Can I do a barycenter on them? Okay, so this is the orbital point. I don't know. Destroys the system. No one. The stream quality on my PC. Is it my fault? I don't think so. Yeah, my bitrate's stable. That's your internet. What is going on? We turned Jupiter into a star and it completely destroyed the solar system. But we are going to the next suggestion now. Let's look. Okay, this one I'm excited to try. Hey, Chip, I think if you collided with a nitrogen planet and a planet, so collide a nitrogen planet with a planet, you will get an atmosphere. So I'm going to try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely remove Earth's atmosphere and then throw a planet that is just made of nitrogen into it and see if that'll bring the atmosphere back. And see if we can save life on Earth. So first of all, we have to kill everything. You know, that's just part of the job. That's how we do it around here. Surface, atmosphere, 0. Okay, so you can see all the plants immediately died. There's none left. Now we need to... How big of a planet? Maybe like only like the moon size, I think. We don't want too much. So let's throw the moon at Earth, but then let's change it to be 100% nitrogen. Yo, what's up? What is up, OrangeBirt1? Welcome to the stream. So composition of the moon, we are going to set it to add new materials, nitrogen. Turn this up. And then we should be able to turn these down. Set them to 0, I think. And that'll turn it all into nitrogen, right? Okay, well that didn't work because now our mass is at less than 1 milligram. And the surface gravity is dropping even though we're paused. 1 moon. Okay, I think I did it. Yeah, okay. So you can see it actually is bigger than the moon because nitrogen's less dense. Spaceship, killing humanity since the dawn of time. That is my job. Okay, so now we're launching a nitrogen-only moon into Earth to see if that will bring back its atmosphere. I don't know if it will. I think it'll do something. So without an atmosphere, I'm pretty sure the life likelihood is 0. Okay, so it's only at 0.1%. So if this helps at all, we're going to call it a success. Go. Go, moon. Moon into Earth. Go. Oh, okay. That was a little quicker than I wanted, but you can see the atmosphere, like the gas is immediately covering the whole surface, making it almost blue. We're going to need to give it probably a couple years to fully cool down after that. Okay. Yeah, it's still cooling down, so we can't really see what our total life likelihood will be until that's down. Chip hydrate. Did someone redeem it? Oh, Ropla did it. I don't have any more water. I just have ice. I'll go refill it in a second. In the next edition, can you do mine? Give Pluto life. We don't like Pluto. Okay, it has cooled down to... It's still cooling down after a lot of years. The problem is the greenhouse effect, because like there's so much gas now. It's completely blue. What's our life likelihood? 0.16. It's about the same as when there was no atmosphere. I think if I think we just put too much. I'm gonna just turn down the nitrogen till we can start to see the surface. And then I will check it. Oh, it's coming. We can almost see it. I think it's still too hot also. What if I set the temperature to like 15? Okay. Now what's our life likelihood? Oh, look. Look at that. Oh, it went up to 90 for a second and then dropped back down immediately. Your spaceflight simulator videos are the best. I appreciate that. There's one coming out tomorrow. Hey, Chip, how much RAM do you need for this game to work? I think the minimum is like 8 gigs. Obviously, more is going to be better. That one guy who pinged you like 5 times? Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Okay. So, it did help, but we needed less than what I put. I'm going to try it again really quick, but just do like an asteroid. When can we play Roblox? I don't really play Roblox, so I don't know. Let's I'm gonna try it one more time, but with an asteroid. So let me delete the atmosphere again. Why does it say 1.15 Earth's atmosphere when it's Earth? Okay, so just like a random asteroid maybe, because that was way too much. Is that gonna be enough? That's like really small. Let's just try it. Nitrogen. I think you need to set this to how big? Earth's atmosphere mass. Oh, look, we could set it to 1 Earth's atmosphere mass. So it is exactly the same mass as Earth's atmosphere, but an asteroid made of nitrogen. Perfect. Okay, let's try that. Poor Pluto. Real. Oh, okay. Did it just disintegrate? Oh, I don't think it'll work because it's like not dense enough to hold itself together. Is the gas gonna hit Earth? No, it flew past it. That's okay. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Chip, what is nitrogen? It is a gas. The air you breathe is mostly nitrogen. But like you need oxygen to survive, but most of the air it's like what, 30% oxygen, I think. You're the best YouTuber. I appreciate that. Okay, let's try this one. Make a planet look habitable that isn't habitable. This one should be pretty easy, I think. You just change the colors, right? But let's see how easy this really is. Let's add a new planet to our solar system. Random rocky planet in orbit here. No way we got a habitable planet on spawn. I think we did. Yeah, 13% already. So, you know what we could do? We could make the liquid, it's probably water. It's actually kind of light. Composition. It is water. So like we replace all the water with like methane, because that's not good for life. Yeah, look, that set it to 0. How does it feel that you're the first Twitch streamer I ever watched on Twitch? That means a lot. You came to a new website just to watch me. When you see this, I want to give you my Space Flight Simulator rocket. We're going to do Blueprint review again soon, because I haven't... I only did 1 episode a long time ago. But now that we're streaming, I think it'll work better because we get like the live feedback. So now that we've switched all of the water to methane, I'm going to set it to a blue color so it looks like water. Why does it lose saturation so much? Okay. Now if we just switch the base colors. I wish I could play Universe Sandbox, but I have a potato PC. I feel you. Custom, and then we set these to like vegetation colors. Okay, that definitely looks like it could be habitable. Like if I just saw this planet, like if I spawned it in and it looked like this, I would think, yeah, there's probably at least a little bit chance of life, but there's actually 0 because that is not water. It is liquid methane. Delete Pluto with the delete tool. I got you. Or we could use the explode tool, which would be even better. So here is, you know, the worst thing ever. I'm trying to turn on my flashlight. Then we go tools, explode, and you just click on it. Yes! Chip, what is methane? It's a gas, but I mean, any gas you get cold enough will turn into liquid. Yeah, it's not something you should breathe. It's a greenhouse gas. Why randomly hating Pluto? Not randomly, always. That was so cool. I know. Thank you. I don't understand the Pluto hate. Can someone catch me up? It tried to be a planet, but it wasn't. That's all you need to know. So it doesn't deserve any love. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, this one's gonna be kind of hard. Make Mars more habitable than Earth. We're gonna try that. Let's see. I think if I use some of the new tools they just added, we should be able to get it. Because the life likelihood on Mars or on Earth isn't even 100. Chip coins. Yeah, they're called chips. You can redeem stuff with them. We should get some more rewards in there. Hostile. Okay. So let's check Earth's life likelihood. So we need to get Mars above 92.1. 92. So if we can get Mars above 92% chance of life, Mars will be more habitable than Earth. So I think the best way to do this is going to be just kind of terraforming it, using some of these new tools they give us, which like the atmosphere presets. So we want to set the atmosphere to Earth, pressure and composition, I think. Apply that. Why does it disappear instantly? Or did I apply it multiple times? Yeah, pressure and composition. Okay, so I think that's good for that. And we're definitely going to need some water. So I think the best way to do it now is to actually draw the oceans on, because it's kind of weird when you add stuff other ways. El Pluto for real. Killing a planet is illegal. What are you going to do about it? Come stop me. Okay, put some ocean on here. And then settle the liquid. Okay, that looks like a good coverage, I think. How's our life likelihood now? 32. Okay, we're already doing good. We're gonna need... Oh, I used to be better at this. Atmosphere mass, surface pressure in bar. What is it? So the pressure is good. If I change this to be closer to Earth, does that help it? 37. I'm back, chat. Welcome back, SlowX. We could... Okay, temperature. We're going to need that. It's definitely way too cold. If I set it to 15 Celsius, that puts us at 41.1. I think we're going to need it closer. So I'm going to move it in more to be pretty much the same as where Earth is, and then set it to auto orbit. Play nation states? What's that? Spaceship, I know your IP address. Don't dox me. Does that help at all? Because that should help. Oh, we want a rotational period. I remember this one's oddly... It affects things a lot. Rotational period. Okay, 1 day is perfect, I think. Okay, we are at 40.8. So we need a lot more. Maybe a little more water. Where's our water? How does that affect it? 47.3. Okay, that's helping. Add more. $52. Okay, so yeah, even more. We're gonna make this good. Everyone's gonna want to move here. Prediction? What's the prediction? Can he make Mars more habitable than Earth? This is gonna be hard. Okay, we're at 68.4. This is helping a lot. So the goal to beat is 92%. If I can get Mars's life likelihood above 92, it is technically, according to the game, more habitable than Earth. Okay, that's too much. 47 now. 52, a little less. 53. 56. 62. Can I pin this? No, you can't pin it like you can other things. Okay, 63. I think a little less. I'll make it go up. 64. You don't want too much water. 65. A little less. 67. Okay, so there's definitely like a fine line you're trying to get. 72. Okay, we're getting there. 70. Okay, so a little bit more than this. 72. Okay, so that looks like the right amount of water on the surface. So let me adjust the atmosphere a little bit more to try to get this up higher. What did people vote? I want to see. Most people said no. You don't believe in me? Come on, guys. I am offended. I literally play this game for a living. It's 1 to 18 if he gets it. So if I get it, then the people that voted yes are going to get a ton of chips. Deal with it. Guys, okay. Now I'm going to try my absolute hardest to get this. I think I want it a little colder. Not that cold. like there. And then, okay, what's our life likelihood right now? 73.6. So let me adjust the atmosphere. If I turn it down a little bit, how does that affect it? 78.6 was that, is that higher than it was 73.6 or something? Where is this one? 77. So that's a little bit less. I think I'm gonna make the mass a little higher. Okay, so the radius is the same as Earth. Can you replace Earth with a black hole? I could crush Earth down to be a black hole. Let's see, what does that put us at? Okay, that lowered the life likelihood, but that's expected because we need to set these back to kind of how they were. 53, and then we probably want more water now because we made it bigger. That made it lower. 21. Uh-oh, I think I broke it. 32. Guys, no, this isn't working. What's our temperature? Why is it? Okay, melt all. Oh, guys, I ruined it. I ruined it. No. I dropped it. Okay. I don't know if I can do it. I think you guys might be right. It is going back up, but give me my chips, free chips. Mars looking different these days. Guys, I can't do it. I'm not as good. The new update makes things hard. Okay, I guess I'll give up. Methane and nitrogen aren't gases. They can freeze and turn into a liquid. Yeah. That's true. They're elements. Let's I guess you guys can win. Where's the prediction? 95 said no. You guys are right. All right. There you go. Have your chips. Don't. Okay. Okay, let's do one more suggestion, and then I think I'm gonna try. We're gonna go to another game, I think. Okay, last suggestion of the day. Let me see. Pick the best one of the ones I have saved. Do KSP 2. Yeah, we might do KSP because I do want to try to go to Min-Miss. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Remove Saturn's rings and then make a moon made out of ice, and then have the moon get ripped apart by the Roche limit of Saturn to see if it makes rings. So we're basically trying to recreate Saturn's rings manually. So to do that, let's go to Saturn. Okay, here's Saturn. It already doesn't have its rings because it uses a lot of RAM, like computing power, to calculate them. So it defaults them off. But I'm not going to turn them on. What I'm going to do is take a ice moon. So we're going to go random small moon, probably. Actually, random moon. We want like a lot of mass, you know? And put it, that's well within the Roche limit. And then we're going to make it completely made out of ice. So we want our composition to be what do we need? I need water. Where's water? Here. So if I set this to 1 moon mass and then set these to 0, it should be just water. Okay, so now it is a completely ice moon. Let's slow down time and see if this turns into rings. That's what we're trying to do. Okay, give it some time to go. That should totally start ripping apart. No way it doesn't. What? How does that not rip apart? That's definitely within the Roche limit. It should be. Does it need more mass? Chip, guess what? What? Give it more mass. There we go. Oh. Okay, well, you can see the fragment starting to ring around it. I've tried this before, and I know Universe Sandbox does not like to give objects rings. Like, it'll just kind of make these gas things spin around, but I think that's kind of the best we can do. So we're going to call that a success because I've tried before, and that's really what you can get. You can't delete things here. What, delete your messages? Chicken butt. You used your chips to say that. It's too strong. Chip, I want to give you a spacefight simulator rocket for Wednesdays. Okay. Can you please take it? It's here. It'll block links. I'm going to make, after the stream, I'll make a chat on the Discord server to submit blueprints for blueprint review. But thank you for coming to the Universe Sandbox section of the stream. We're going to go to Kerbal Space Program now. I really want to try to land on Min-Miss today. Give me 1 second to switch it over. Hostile, if you want to change the stream info. Let's go, KSP. Chip, Discord now. I want to join. It's discord.gg/spacechip. Link is, if you scroll down, you can see it, or you can go to any of my YouTube videos and click it. That reminds me to join your Discord server. Yeah, join the Discord server.